Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm showing you how to fix audio sync issues on your Samsung Soundbar. In my particular case, I was watching a movie on Tubi and the audio was way out of sync, and it was because of the app. So in order to watch the movie, I had to adjust the sync manually on my soundbar. So first things first, turn on the soundbar. Then you want to click on the sound control button on your remote and cycle through till you get to audio sync. Now here it's saying 0 milliseconds, and then I can adjust with the arrows. On this particular model, the lowest I can go is 0 milliseconds, but I'm gonna go back into the menu here, audio sync, and then I can adjust it up all the way to 300 milliseconds. So this is a delay on, so that would delay at 300 milliseconds. Some soundbars you could go negative, the negative way, but this one you could only go positive, which is, I believe, a delay of 300 milliseconds up to that. So this is how you do it on a Samsung soundbar. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.